अस्सलाम वालेकुम, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। आज हम एसएसटी बायोकेमिस्ट्री के लिए बायोलॉजी का सेकंड चैप्टर जो कि सेल स्ट्रक्चर एंड ऑर्गेनाइजेशन के बारे में है, उसके 50 मोस्ट इम्पोर्टेंट एमसीक्यूज पढ़ेंगे। नंबर 1, हु डिस्कवर द सेल? इसमें ऑप्शन ए ठीक है, एंटोन वान लेवनहुक। एंटोन वान लेवनहुक। दूसरा एमसीक्यूज है, सेल वॉल इज प्रेजेंट इन, इसमें ऑप्शन बी सही है, प्लांट सेल। सेल वॉल इज प्रेजेंट इन प्लांट सेल। द बेसिक यूनिट ऑफ लाइफ इज सी, सेल, ठीक है। विच ऑर्गेनेली इज नोन एज द पावर हाउस ऑफ द सेल? सी, माइटोकॉन्ड्रिया। माइटोकॉन्ड्रिया को सेल का पावर हाउस कहा जाता है। नंबर 5, द प्लाज्मा मेम्ब्रेन इज सेलेक्टिवली परमिएबल, ये ऑप्शन बी इसमें सही है। Which organelle control all cell activities? Option A, nucleus. Nucleus controls all cell activities. Option A इसमें सही है। Golgi apparatus function is option B, packaging and secretion. Packaging and secretion. Endoplasmic reticulum helps in option B, transport of materials. Option B. Smooth ER is involved in lipid synthesis. Rough ER has option C, ribosomes. Lysosomes are known as suicide bags. Lysosomes are known as suicide bags. B. Lysosome contain option B, digestive enzymes. Which organelle is absent in prokaryotic cell? Nucleus. Nucleus is absent in prokaryotic cells. Prokaryotic cell include C, bacteria. Eukaryotic cells have true nucleus. Option B. Eukaryotic cell have true nucleus. Which organelle is involved in division? Option C, centriole. Centriole is involved in cell division. Centrioles are found in A, animal cells. Plastids are found in B, plants. Leucoplast stores B, food. Leucoplast stores option B, food. Chromoplast gives B, color to fruits and flowers. Chromoplast gives color to fruits and flowers. Nuclear membrane surrounds nucleus. Option B. Nucleus is involved in ribosomes formation. Nucleus is involved in option B, ribosome formation. Cell membrane is also called plasma membrane. Cell wall is made of cellulose. Option C. Cell wall is made of cellulose. Mitochondria has double membrane. Mitochondria has double membrane. Option B. Cristae are found in mitochondria. Cristae are found in option B, mitochondria. Grana are present in chloroplast. Option B. Grana are present in chloroplast. Thylakoids are involved in option A, light reaction. Which organelle modifies proteins? Option B, Golgi apparatus. Cell sap is found in option B, vacuole. cell shape is found in vacuole? Which organelle is non-membranous? Option C, ribosome. Ribosome is non-membranous. Which part controls entry and exit? Option A, cell membrane. Plant cells are usually B, rectangular. Plant cells are usually B, rectangular. 41. Animal cells lack cell wall. ऑप्शन ए, एनिमल सेल में सेल वॉल नहीं होता. Which organelle detoxifies drug? Option B, smooth ER. Smooth ER detoxifies drugs. DNA is present in nucleus. Chromosomes are made of DNA and protein. Option B, chromosomes are made of DNA and protein. Which structure is living? Which structure is living? Option B, cytoplasm is living. Middle lamella is made of B, calcium pectate. Calcium pectate, option B. Which organelle stores waste? Vacuole. Vacuole stores waste. Option B. Plant cell vacuole maintains turgidity. Option B. Plant cell vacuole maintains turgidity. Which organelle is called protein factory? Option A, ribosome. Ribosome is called protein factory. Study cell is called, option B, cytology. Study of cells is called, option B, cytology.